activities such as industrial production, transportation, and improper waste management contribute to pollution. Emissions from factories, vehicles, and power generation plants release pollutants into the air, leading to respiratory diseases, the deterioration of ecosystems, and climate change. Strategies to mitigate air pollution include transitioning to cleaner energy sources, improving emission standards, and promoting public awareness. Discharge of industrial and agricultural waste, improper sewage treatment, and oil spills all contaminate water bodies, endangering aquatic life and human health. When sewage and wastewater leak into natural bodies of water, the high nutrient load promotes algal blooms. While algae does release oxygen when it undergoes photosynthesis during daylight hours, it also consumes large quantities of oxygen at night during respiration. And it blocks sunlight from reaching aquatic plants lower in the water column. When other producers in the aquatic environment are outcompeted for light, they eventually die. The decomposition of aquatic plants and of the short-lived algae associated with algal blooms consumes large amounts of oxygen dissolved in the water. The oxygen depletion resulting from algal blooms can cause huge numbers of animals and plants to die, significantly damaging fragile aquatic ecosystems. Mitigating damage due to water pollution requires effective regulation, wastewater treatment, and sustainable agricultural practices to prevent agricultural runoff. Improper waste disposal, pesticide use, and industrial activities also contribute to soil pollution, degrading soil fertility and contaminating food crops. Sustainable agricultural practices, soil remediation techniques, the composting of biodegradable products, and responsible waste management are all essential in combating soil pollution. While human societies have long relied on natural resources for sustenance, shelter, and economic development, our exploitation of natural resources has often been unregulated and unsustainable. Overhunting, deforestation, and overfishing are examples of practices that have led to the depletion of ecosystems and the loss of biodiversity. As a result, it has become essential to develop effective strategies for managing natural resources sustainably. Sustainable natural resource management is concerned with the adoption of practices that allow for long-term resource use without ecosystem damage or depletion. These practices can include regulating fishing quotas and reforestation programs, as well as promoting sustainable agricultural practices and the use of renewable energy sources. Conservation efforts also play an essential role in the mitigation of environmental harm caused by human activities. Conservation aims to protect and restore ecosystems and their biodiversity. This involves the establishment of protected areas, the restoration of degraded habitats, and the preservation of endangered species. Collaboration between governments, communities, and organizations is crucial to ensure the success of conservation initiatives.